Hi everyone, it's Brianna, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you exactly how to create a reel using a template on Instagram. This is a great way to quickly create polished content without starting from scratch and perfect for keeping your feed fresh and engaging. But first, what is a reel? Instagram and Facebook Reels are short form engaging video clips that can be up to 3 minutes long that users can create, edit, and share on Instagram. They are designed to be fun, creative, and easily shareable, often incorporating music, effects, and other creative tools. Unlike Instagram stories, Reels do not disappear after 24 hours and are designed to be discovered by a wider audience, potentially reaching non-followers. To get started, we're going to open Instagram and press the plus button at the bottom of the screen. And when you do that, at the top, you may see drafts if you have any, and you'll see a button that says templates. There's a tab for recommended for you, and there is another tab for trending templates that's probably attached to a trending sound. You can pick from any tab, it really doesn't matter. Just find something that you like. You'll also notice there is a bookmark button at the bottom right of each template, which means you can save them and come back to them if you see one that you like and you want to use in the future. So once you found a template that you really like, you'll just go ahead and click on it. It'll show you how many clips, videos, or pictures that you need and how long each will last on screen. So once I went ahead and selected all of the content that was relevant, you can go ahead and click next, and it will put all of your content together and edit it to the sound. The only thing you would need to do if it's a video and maybe it didn't get the best part of the video, you would just need to click on the clip and you can scroll over and click slip, and slip will allow you to go ahead and pick any part of the video that you would like to be highlighted for those few seconds. Other than that, everything else is edited for you and you pretty much have a reel. So once you have all your content in the space that you would like it to be, you have the option of adding a sound, and then when you hit next, you have the option of adding your captions and your hashtags, and there you have it. Really easy. You can do it with content that's already in your phone. I hope you guys learned something. If you have anything that you would like to see during this segment, make sure to put it in the comments right now so I can see it and get started on it, and I'll see you guys next time.